Today I'll show you a quick and easy way to add stairs to the side of your house using ordinary sidewalk blocks. Don't forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Start with some treated lumber for your first riser. I'm using a 4x4. Lay sidewalk blocks for the step, with the ends just covering the 4x4. You will need to cut the last one to fit. Push gravel under the ends as needed to level the blocks. Repeat these steps for the rest of the stairs. Measure and cut a piece of treated lumber to fill in the sides. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel to keep up with our latest videos. Thank you.